Tapos the laser cannon. He wants to try it himself.
This feels a bit like bullet.
Laser cannon looks like.
Laser cannon. Laser cannon.
That's it.
Today is 4 September 2025. Thursday. Ito, alas 5 pasado ng hapon.
I also want to see for myself how
Ito ang YouTube. Nanonood ng laser cannon.
this experiment for scientific demonstration.
Nanonood ng YouTube. Laser cannon. About laser cannon. 720 watts.
Laser cannon, also called a laser clear, it has rated power of
720 watts power.
power. We pick up a few atoms from the scrap. Guess which one will be pierced by the laser?
Ngayon ay 4 September 2025.
Soda can.
Thursday. Alas 5 ng hapon pasado na. How powerful is the laser cannon?
Done? Soda can didn't stand a chance. Next is my dad's discarded dead-potted flame.
This thing is thicker than my arm. Will it burn through?
Let's wait and see.
Is that it? I really can't go through a tree.
Sunog ng kahoy. Stainless steel kettle. Broken.
Let's trust the light. We all know light carries energy, and laser is light amplified by stimulated emission. Its wavelength, phase,
Laser.
and direction are all perfectly aligned. The energy is concentrated into a tiny point, creating significant destructive power.
Directed energy weapon.
See, even the stainless steel kettle didn't stop it. Though it did overheat briefly. Let's wait for the CD to cool down for the final test.
Oh, that's unbelievable.
Actually, concentrating light energy can also be done through another method called
Pulsed high intensity. Pulsed power.
It releases high-powered light radiation in an instant, targeting microorganisms to sterilize. Hey, the laser cannon is cooled down. Final challenge: safe versus laser cannon.
Bolt. Italayan ng bolt. Laser.
This feels a bit like bullet. If the
Shape
thing
bolt.
gets burned through, it's no longer a safe.
But as always, let's trust the light.
Hey, hold up, man. Are you serious?
Tutulong ang bakal. Laser. Wow, ang shape bolt. Baksak. Laser clearance device.
You know what a real laser cannon looks like?